Okay. It's been a long time since I've been out in the shop. I've been thinking up and making lists and stuff. So first thing we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna just kind of start working down this list. Finish up the pan hard mount, drill the holes and bolt the shocks up, sway bar links and bolts, spring perch gussets, frame in the rear with the fuel tank mount, weld the links, etc., etc. So we're going to start in the back and we're going to work our way to the front and then into the cab and then do our wiring and brakes. But right now, that's where we're at. Pan hard mount. All right, here's my pan hard mount. It's three-sided, so there's a piece on this side here, and it'll get welded to this and this. This will get welded to the frame. This will be welded to the frame, and then I'm debating on whether I want to box this side in or not, because I don't know if I really give a fuck. This is gonna get welded to here. That'll be the same way on both sides. I'm not filming very much. I'm just trying to get shit done today. I'll update you when that's done. Okay, and here we are. I went ahead and flux corded in because it's easier. But it's in. It ain't going anywhere. I couldn't get in there to clean the shit off, but oh well. So, still gotta clean this up and weld it, but I gotta cut these off in order to get the grinder in there. But that's the update. All right, shocks are bolted up. I just realized that I needed an adjustable pan hard bar because I'm an idiot. We are that way, about a 1/2 inch after I welded that up. Because I'm a dumbass. So, we're gonna go ahead and order the adjustable pan hard bar for the rear. And that'll level our shocks out. I'm okay with these shocks being single shear, because that's what they were on the Jeep. So, fuck it. I still haven't done anything with that, and I don't have the bolts for the sway bar. Okay, so instead of a adjustable pan hard bar, I decided I had these tabs sitting here. So I went ahead and used the plasma, notched out a little bit, a 1/2 inch that direction, and then used the 1 inch, 3/4 by 1 inch tab and welded that in on both sides of the plate, on this plate and the inside plate. Weld that in, moved it over that 1/2 inch. Now we're only off by between a 1/16 and an 1/8, a little bit, just about there, which, you know, could also be a difference in tire, because I judged it by setting this flat and then bumping it up against the tire, and then measuring from here to here, and found my width. But now we should be a lot closer to correct on both sides. I'm a lot happier with it. Okay. Definitely needs rear brakes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.